Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to show you huge dropshipping discounts with Doba Dropshipping's annual sale. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to jump right into it. You're looking at the annual super sale, and this is something that I look forward to every single year. This is the Black Friday rush. And the bottom line is this is a gift from Doba Dropshipping. They just simply lower their prices on some of the best products in their entire catalog, which means it's going to cost you less to sell it, which also means you're going to make more money immediately. This is really the most wonderful time of the year to be an e-commerce entrepreneur. Of course, you have Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming up, but all these products are getting discounted due to this annual sale. And these might be products that you've already been selling, right? They're going to get discounted in terms of your cost. And just some math here, right? Let's say a product costs $10 and you sell it for $20, you make $10 profit. But during this annual sale, maybe it's $2 off. So it's only going to cost you $8. You still sell it for $20. Now your profit margin is 20% higher. You're making $12 instead of $10. So this is an amazing time to start scaling your business and finding those winning products. And you see that there are premium suppliers that give discounts. There are preferred sales channels that get discounts. There are main categories that get discounts. There are power picks that get discounts. There are high profit products that get discounts. And we see 31%, 58%, 20%. These will significantly increase your profit margin. We could look at product after product after product, and when you see 16% off, what you should really be thinking is that you're going to be making 16% more money, because it's just going to cost you less to sell the same products. And this is like I said, the best time. Not only are you going to see more sales because of Black Friday and Christmas, the holiday rush, but your sales are going to be more profitable when you source these products from Doba's annual sale. And again, this happens every single year. It's a great way for you to really boost up those Q4 profits. And I'll show you some more over here. We can go to the quick win picks over here. We can go to the AI powered picks over here. And I always recommend using Doba's AI tools. They allow you to create AI descriptions and product titles. They have AI powered product research and the AI picker, which is like an AI product research expert for your store. We have video picks as well. This is a really important section because these are going to be products that have videos ready to go. And you can click into any of these products, of course. You'll be able to see the product detail page. You see all the pricing and information and description. These are all products that are based in Doba's catalog, but we're getting great discounts. And again, we could look into various sections over here. Home and lifestyle, which is a super popular category, and just discount after discount after discount, allowing us to make significant amounts of more profit during the most important time of the year for a seller. So you see Christmas trees over here, right? They're going to sell like crazy. You get 10% off, 10% off, 9% off. The already super competitive pricing that Doba offers for dropshipping. So again, you're just simply going to make more money utilizing the annual sale. So let's look at some numbers over here. Typically, this product's going to cost you about $37, and we would sell it for about $70. Okay, we typically want to double our product. So let's say we're selling this product in our store for $70. They actually recommend that we sell it for $120, but we're going to sell it for $70 in our store. Every single time we'd sell it, normally, we'd make about $34 per sale. It's really powerful, right? A $36 product cost, we make $34. But right now, during the annual sale, Doba's giving you a massive 58% off. And this is a product that ships from the United States. See over here, it ships from California. It takes 1 to 7 days to get shipped with USPS. See, our total cost is $15.19 right now. So before we were selling it for $70, same exact product, it was costing us $36. Now we're selling it for $70. It only cost us $15. And during the most important time of the year where we get the vast majority of our sales, Q4, Black Friday, holiday season, Doba is giving us this gift of higher profit margins. At only $15 now, $20 off, we're going to make an additional $20 profit margin every single time we sell this product. Right? And we could literally go through here and take a look at other ones. Here's 62%. Here's a little rug over here. Instead of being $10, it's $7.51. So if you were to sell this, let's say for $30, you'd make $20 profit normally. But during the holiday season with the annual sale, you could sell it for $30 and you'd make $23 profit. So your profit will increase, your profit margin will increase, your bottom line in your business will increase, all because you're taking advantage of Doba's annual sale. And you're able to get into it. You see the dates that it's available. And again, this happens every single year, and it corresponds with Black Friday rush and the holiday season and the fourth quarter of the year and the gift buying frenzy. So now is the absolute best time to jump into Doba. You see the link directly below this video. I have tons of videos on my YouTube channel walking you through step-by-step how to get started, how to sign up, how to connect the Doba Shopify app. But like I said, now's the time. Get ready for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the holiday rush with these incredible discounts from Doba's annual super sale. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below this video. Otherwise, I hope this helps you make a ton of money, and I'll see you in my next video.